Have you ever wondered what catches a woman's eye when she sees you for the first time? In today's video, we're unveiling the 13 key things a woman notices about a man at first sight. If you're eager to make a great impression and better understand how women perceive men, this video is for you. We'll delve into the subtle details that can make a significant impact, from your appearance to your body language and attitude. These insights will help you stand out and attract positive attention. Imagine walking into a room and knowing exactly what women are noticing about you. With this knowledge, you can enhance your interactions and boost your confidence. Feeling unsure about how women perceive you? Want to discover what might be going unnoticed or what you're already doing well? Stay tuned, because what you're about to learn could transform the way you present yourself and how you're perceived. With an understanding of these 13 key aspects, you'll be well equipped to know exactly what catches a woman's attention. So, pay close attention as we explore these crucial points together. 13. Posture. Posture is one of the first things a woman notices. An upright, confident posture conveys security and self-assurance. Men who stand tall with relaxed shoulders and a raised head not only appear more attractive, but also exude a positive attitude. For instance, at a party, a man who walks in confidently with good posture catches attention more than someone who slouches, regardless of attire. Good posture can significantly impact first impressions, making it a simple yet powerful way to enhance your presence. 12. Smile. A genuine smile can greatly influence how you're perceived. It signals approachability, friendliness, and a positive attitude, making you more likable and open. For example, in a coffee shop, making eye contact and offering a warm smile can create an instant connection and break the ice. A frequent smile reflects happiness and positivity, which are highly attractive traits. 11. Eyes, often referred to as the windows to the soul, eyes can convey emotions and intentions that words can't. Maintaining good eye contact shows confidence, interest, and sincerity. For example, at a party, making steady eye contact while conversing demonstrates genuine engagement and respect, creating a deeper connection. 10. Personal hygiene. Personal hygiene is crucial and can significantly affect first impressions. Clean nails, well-kept hair, and a pleasant scent reflect self-respect and care for others. For example, on a date, noticing your fresh cologne and clean nails shows that you value your appearance and the occasion. Neglected hygiene can be a major turn-off, while good personal hygiene demonstrates maturity and responsibility. 9. Clothes. Your clothing speaks volumes about you. Well-fitting clothes appropriate for the occasion convey attention to detail and care for your appearance. For instance, changing into a stylish outfit for a social event shows that you respect the occasion and the people present. Your attire can enhance confidence and attract positive attention. 8. Shoes. Shoes can reveal a lot about your personality and style. Well-maintained shoes appropriate for the occasion make a strong impression. For example, on a casual date, wearing polished, clean shoes can show that you pay attention to details. Conversely, worn-out shoes might suggest negligence, affecting your overall impression. 7. Voice. A man's voice can be captivating and reveal much about his personality. A calm, firm, and clear voice can be highly appealing. For instance, speaking in a friendly, well-modulated tone at a bar can create a comfortable atmosphere, making you seem more approachable and engaging. 6. Body language. Body language communicates confidence and emotional state. Maintaining an open posture, using natural gestures, and making good eye contact can significantly influence first impressions. For example, sitting on a bench with relaxed shoulders and engaging in conversation with open body language creates a more authentic and enjoyable interaction. 5. Perfume. The right perfume can leave a lasting impression. A pleasant, subtle scent conveys sophistication and attention to detail. For example, if a woman notices a well-chosen fragrance, it can create an immediate positive connection and enhance your presence. 4. Attitude. A positive attitude can be incredibly attractive, reflecting resilience and optimism. Approaching social situations with enthusiasm and genuine interest can make you more approachable. For example, engaging positively at a social gathering and showing empathy in conversations can convey that you face life with energy and determination. 3. Energy level. High energy levels can be very attractive, reflecting vitality and enthusiasm. For instance, at a party, a dynamic and engaging presence can make you stand out and create a lively atmosphere. Your ability to inspire and participate actively shows that you enjoy life and can bring excitement to relationships. 2. Physical proximity. How you manage physical proximity can indicate confidence and respect. For example, on a date, leaning slightly towards your partner and maintaining a respectful distance can create intimacy without being invasive. This subtle use of physical closeness can enhance emotional connection and attraction. 1. Humor. A good sense of humor can be highly attractive, creating connection and easing tension. For example, making a lighthearted joke about a slow meal can make the interaction more enjoyable and show that you handle situations positively. Humor demonstrates confidence and a lighthearted approach to life's challenges. And that wraps up our video on the 13 things a woman notices about a man at first sight. To recap, we covered posture, smile, eyes, personal hygiene, clothes, shoes, voice, body language, perfume, attitude, energy level, physical proximity, and humor. These qualities can transform how you're perceived and increase your chances of making a great first impression. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share with friends who might benefit from these tips. Subscribe to our channel for more content on relationships and personal development, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.